Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to send photos from your iPhone to your Mac. No more struggling with blurry AirDrop fails or mysterious cloud syncing issues. I'm going to walk you through several easy methods, so you can pick the one that works best for you. In this video, we'll cover *AirDrop, the quick and easy method when you're nearby. *iCloud Photos, for seamless syncing across all your Apple devices. Using a USB cable, the reliable option when you need to transfer a large batch of photos. Email and messaging, a simple solution for sending individual photos. So if you're ready to get those iPhone photos onto your Mac, let's dive in. Short, upbeat music sting, maybe showcasing the Rome Tech logo. Okay, first up, let's talk about AirDrop. This is by far the fastest and easiest way to transfer photos if your iPhone and Mac are in the same room. Screen recording, showing AirDrop process on iPhone. On your iPhone, go to your Photos app and select the photo or photos you want to send. Tap the share icon. It looks like a little square with an arrow pointing upwards. Now, you should see a list of options. Look for AirDrop. Screen recording, showing AirDrop process on Mac. Ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and discoverable. Before you tap AirDrop on your iPhone, make sure your Mac is set up to receive AirDrop. On your Mac, open Finder. In the sidebar, click on AirDrop. If it's not enabled, at the bottom of the window, you'll see an option that says, Allow me to be discovered by. Choose Everyone or Contacts only depending on your preference. Screen recording, complete AirDrop process, showing transfer happening. Back on your iPhone, tap AirDrop and select your Mac from the list of available devices. On your Mac, you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to accept the files. Click Accept, and the photos will be saved to your Downloads folder by default. That's it. Super quick and easy. Next, let's move on to iCloud Photos. This method keeps your photos automatically synced across all your Apple devices. Screen recording, showing iCloud photo settings on iPhone. First on your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Tap Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is toggled on. Screen recording, showing iCloud photo settings on Mac. Now on your Mac, open the Photos app. Go to Photos in the menu bar, then Preferences. Click on the iCloud tab. Make sure iCloud Photos is checked. Screen recording, demonstrate waiting for iCloud sync. That's it. Now any photos you take on your iPhone will automatically upload to iCloud, and then download to your Mac. Keep in mind that it might take a few minutes, or even hours, depending on the size of your photo library and your internet connection. Also, make sure you have enough iCloud storage. If you're running low, you might need to upgrade your plan. Alright, now for the USB cable method. This is a great option if you have a large number of photos to transfer and you want a reliable connection. Screen recording, connecting iPhone to Mac via USB cable. Simply connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. Screen recording, showing Finder access to iPhone photos. Open Finder. You should see your iPhone listed in the sidebar under Locations. Click on it. You might be prompted to trust this computer on your iPhone. If so, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Screen recording, accessing and dragging photos from iPhone to Mac folder. Now, you should be able to access your iPhone's internal storage. Navigate to the DCIM folder, and you'll see all your photos and videos organized into folders. Simply drag and drop the photos you want to transfer to a folder on your Mac. Finally, let's cover the simplest method, email and messaging. Screen recording, showing the process of sending a photo via email. This is the easiest way to send a single photo or a small handful of photos. Just open the photo in your Photos app, tap the share icon, and choose Mail or Messages. Enter your own email address or phone number, and hit Send. The photo will be delivered to your Mac in seconds. This is great for quick and easy transfers. Visual, summary screen highlighting each method and its pros/cons. So there you have it, 4 easy ways to send photos from your iPhone to your Mac. We covered AirDrop, iCloud Photos, USB cable transfer, and email/messaging. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy your photos on the big screen. Outro music starts. And that wraps up today's Rome Tech tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.